everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I am going to make a floor lamp using majority of Dollar Tree items, and then I bought 8 of these sticks, wood pieces from the Dollar Tree. So I bought 2 of these and removed this, and it's easy to remove. It's like some little sponge things holding it. So I'm going to remove that out of there, and then I'm going to spray paint all of this in here gold. This won't matter, but it's going to get spray painted because I'm going to be spray painting all of this here. And then this one large bowl from the Dollar Tree, and then I happen to have a top left over from a bottle, a drink bottle that my granddaughter had. The bottle I had to toss it away, so I kept the top, and that's going to be the top. Usually they would have a ring, you know, on the little lanterns. That's what it is. I was calling it a candle, but a lantern. That's what I'm making, is a lantern. So basically what I'm going to do, and I don't have wood glue, but I do have the fix-all from the Dollar Tree in E6000. And of course, you know, when you buy stuff from the Dollar Tree, everything is not perfect. Some things can be warped as far as the wood, but I'm going to put it together like that to form that to fit in there like that. I'm going to do 2 in each corner, and then I'm going to top it off with the other one, and then I'm going to glue this on top, with that to be on top. And I'm going to see if I can find something that she may have around the house. Right now this will do, but I do want the ring, you know, when you pick it up. I do want something like that around there. I'm still trying to think that through, but if not, we'll just do with this. Okay, I started spray painting. That's one of the wood, and 2, that's one of the plaques, I meant to say, and 2 of the wood pieces. And this is the one that I'm using. There is another one that I use, but I prefer this one because it gives a more brilliant gold, more shinier. So I had this old tube from a roll of tape, and I knew it would be perfect, and all I did was cut it in half, and it's very strong. I'm going to spray paint it, and then I'm going to glue it to the top there, not to this top, but to the rim here. So basically here and here, and still keep that in the middle, so that it'll have a look. Let me just get this so you can see. So it'll be on top of the lantern like that. So here I'm just showing that I glued the round piece on the bottom of the bowl, which is going to be the top for the lantern. I wanted to share the gold spray paints and what I think it's the best. I've used both of these several times, and I'm finding that this has a better color finish. Both of them are metallic finishes. This one is prettier as far as the can, you know, the way it looks on the outside, but this one to me has a better bright coat finish to it as opposed to this one. This one is pretty, but I like this one better. This is a prettier can, but this is actually a better finish to me. Now, I'm just sharing my personal opinion. I've used both of these on metal and wood. This comes out with a duller finish and not bright to me. It says metallic. It doesn't finish like a bright finish to me. And then maybe it just depends on what you use it on. But I've used this on metal, plastic, and wood. This comes out with a brighter finish to me. Okay, here are the sticks. They're all painted, spray painted. And what I do, you can see I started some of the dust. I wipe it down. Anything that I spray paint, I wipe with a towel, a dry towel, not a wet towel, just to get the excess spray dust off before using any type of glue. That's just excess dust. So I'm going to wipe these off, and then I'm going to start assembling everything. I even did the tube here. I'm going to cover that probably with a bling wrap, because I don't think I can get, I do have the bag. Let me show that to you all. When I did my daughter's floor pedestal or column, this is some extra pieces left over from the Dollar Tree bag. You see how it has the mirror reflection? Since that is pliable and bendable, I might just glue that around and then put bling wrap there to kind of cover the rough edges. Okay, so I'm gonna get the rest of these wiped off, and I'll be right back. So I decided to use the sheet here in the middle of this, and right in the center. It allows the wood to be put all around. So I'm going to put one like that, and then one like this here. And I have to make sure I match them up good, because this wood is like really lopsided. So I'm not going to peel this off yet, but I'm going to peel the backing off, and I've already dusted this off. Let's see, all the paint dust that's on there. Okay, so we're going to peel the backing off here. And now what I'm going to do is put glue up under here, sit there. We'll see here and there. So I'm going to get a pen and mark where I should stop, because glue is going to go here and under here to go there. And then for this stick, I'm going to put it down on the bottom and all along. So it'll go on the bottom and then all along the side. Okay, I put the glue along here and on the end, and I'm going to, these sticks are not all leveled straight, so you gotta force it. And I will go back with E6000, because the bottom of it is not even touching. Okay, can you see there? So what I have to do is put some on the back here, and then I'm gonna go around and reinforce it with E6000. Any part that touches the frame, I'm gonna put E6000 and then go and put E6000 between here, because I didn't have any wood glue. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, so I put the sticks on. I'm going to show you all something for those that would like to do this using the sticks from the Dollar Tree, as well as these picture frames, not picture frames, but the little frames that has the sayings in them. I faced two of them the same way, which is these two, and these two are not. If you see, I have the seam here. So this one is done differently from all three, and you see the spacing in there. So I'm going to put some E6000. But if you're going to do them, make sure all the sticks are going in the right way, because you see how this one is sticking out a little bit. It'll go in once I put the other frame on top, because I did try it already. But when you're doing this, make sure all your sticks are going in the same way. Like I said, this one, as you can tell, this one over here is sticking out a little bit. that one right there. But when I put this other one on top, it'll fit. Okay, so here's the lantern, and I put, this is the bottom with the mirror reflective paper, and this is the top where this is going to go. But what I'm going to do with the plate is I'm going to just put it there and kind of just let it be where it peeks from under there. It sits as a kind of like a foot, not feet, because it's just one plate. But I like that. And then this is going to be on top. Once I cover this, let me just put it here for now so you can see it. Just don't like that it's lopsided. Hold on, let me get this straight. So I covered the tube. I got to cover it some more with the paper bag. Put this little piece in there. I'm going to put glue here, and I'm using a glue gun to put there, and then it'll be covered. And then to cover the rough edges, I'm going to use a bling strip. I'm going to put some Greek key strips, probably like 3. 1, 2, 3 to go down. But I'm pretty much thinking this through as I do it. Oh, I've already glued this on too. I glued, and all I did was I put glue on the corner of the big bowl, and I glued this top on as well. So I'm going to put some more on here and bring it back, and then I'll style it out and put it in her living room on the floor by her fireplace. I'm going to do 2 sides with the Greek key mirror reflective tiles. You'll see the mirror reflection when I pull the surface off. And I have 4 mirror tiles left. So this side and this side is going to be the Greek mirror tiles. And then this side is going to have one here and one there. And on the other side the same way. Okay, I just about finished it. And I am now peeling the layer off of the tile pieces here. I did that. Now I just got to do on this side. So I put bling around here and a bling around there. I'm debating whether to put that round part on top yet. And then I put the mirror on both sides. This side and the other side, and I wanted to leave that open so we can fit the candle jar in there. Okay, it is finished, and I love the way it turned out. And I decided to go ahead and put the ring on top. I just covered it with bling, and I put a tea light candle in a small jar that could fit through the opening, and that's just a little pail that had a candle in it, and there's no more wax in it, so I just turned it upside down just to elevate the candle to fit through there. But it turned out so nice. And like I said, the wood is gold. It's just showing the grain through the wood. And a little plate under there that I have it glued to. Now I'll probably make another one, just make it taller. Just going to turn it here to show the Greek key side. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by. And if you liked what you saw today, please give it a thumbs up. And I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And for my faithful viewers, thank you so much for your continued support. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.